Are you planning to buy a home soon? How are mortgage rates affecting your decision? It's no secret that soaring mortgage rates have caused a hiccup in many potential buyers' plans. In fact, data from Bright MLS points to high mortgage rates as the top reason for buyers hitting the pause button on their home buying journey. David Childers, CEO at Keeping Current Matters, attests to this, stating that 3/4 of buyers opted out due to high mortgage rates. Yet, there's a silver lining on the horizon. Mortgage rates have been gradually descending from their zenith last year, and experts project this trend to continue throughout the year, provided inflation remains in check. Even more enticing is the prospect that rates could plunge below the 6% mark by the end of 2024, a potential game-changer for many aspiring homeowners. While it's hard to predict mortgage rates precisely, experts' optimism should offer some insight into what's ahead. So, if your plans were put on hold because of high mortgage rates, there's light at the end of the tunnel. It's time to start thinking about your home buying journey again. But first, ask yourself, what mortgage rate would make me comfortable enough to resume my search? This number is deeply personal. It might be 6.5% for some, or even a smidgen below 6% for others. And that's okay. Now that you have your magic number, it's time to take the next step. Connect with a local real estate professional. They're your ally in this journey. They'll keep you informed about the fluctuating rates and will be the first to let you know when rates hit your target. This way, you're always in the loop and ready to act when the time is right. Remember, if you've paused your plans due to high mortgage rates, consider the rate that would make you ready to jump back into the market.